We are painting 10 different flowers and flower related scenes in the spring series. This is the 8th painting in this series. This is the sketch needed for this painting. I will add a link of this image in my description. You can click the link and download the image from my Pinterest account. I start the painting by making some brush marks with the opera rose color. These are going to be the flowers of our bush. Next, I'm wetting the outer edge of the bush so that the pigment can spread or disperse evenly from dark color to light color that you can see very soon in this video. I mix sap green with violet and a little amount of emerald green to get this deep green. Then I add this green to the white spaces around the flowers. And note that I'm not defining each and every leaf. I just described it as a bush by just painting the white spaces. At this point, you can see how the green color has dispersed at the outer region of the bush. This is because we have wet the outer area of the bush, which created a beautiful and magical effect for the painting. I gave a little touch with sap green color to give a variety to the green color of the bush. Next, using indigo color, I paint the street lamp. Next, using diluted Naples yellow, I paint the glass of the street lamp. When the street lamp is still wet, I paint the bars of the street lamp using the same indigo color. The plant is still wet. I splattered some opera rose over the wet area, and that's the end of our painting. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care, and this is Prema signing off. Bye bye.